Alright guys, this is the next video, the second part of upgrading your Umbrel node from version 0.3.14 to version 0.4.0. We'll jump right into where we left before, and as you can see we have the option here to upgrade the code. I wanted to mention that I also have a couple of wallets connected to this node, and this is the first time that I will upgrade the node with some wallets connected to it. So currently I did connect my Blue wallet, and also I did connect the SAP Android app wallet, Lightning wallet, with this node, and also the Blue wallet is also connected to this node. So I will let you know if anything got disconnected or changed after the upgrade. One thing that we can do is we can also check the application called Blue Wallet Lightning that is installed on Umbrel, which is needed to set up the connection of your wallet with your node. So if we click here, we can see that there are 12 active channels, and these channels are backed up already, as we saw before. And you can see that this is showing us here that one channel is inactive, which is the channel that I showed you before in the Thunder Hub application. And again, some of the information here will be blurred because for privacy. But I think this LND hub should be okay when we complete the upgrade, but we'll see. I will confirm after that when we complete the installation. So, alright, so we have the backup of all the channels in different applications. We already have a backup of the seed phrase of the Lightning of the Umbrel node for the Bitcoin Core wallet. So everything looks right now here that is working 100% synchronized, and then the channels are looking fine here as well. We have the channels here, and then we can see the Lightning wallet. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to settings, and then in settings you can see here the option that say install now. This is the version available, and what we need to do to upgrade is just to click on that. So let me clear this and go ahead and press install now. We get this little warning where it's telling us that we should back up our channels, which I already did. It tells all the information about Umbrel and the OS and the introduction of what is new for this. We can read this offline, and I would just go ahead and click install now, as we already did our backups. Okay. We also already have our 24 words, secret words already written. That's very, very important, as you all know. You need to have your 24 words at the beginning of installing Umbrel, and then also you need to back up your channels so you don't lose any valuable asset, digital asset. So in this case Satoshis or Bitcoin. So let's install now, and as you can see, the upgrade starting is doing its own backup. It's configuring releases, pulling new containers. As you know, this is running on containers from Docker and Docker Compose, which are containers software. So it's updating the applications. So this should not take too long, so I will not pause the video. I will let you see the process because it's very simple, as you can see here. still updating applications at the moment, and while it's doing that, once everything is finished, the upgrade is complete, we will have to again go and customize one of the files that change the name on the Thunderhub application to Gyronet, which is my Twitter and my node name as well. So as you can see here, it's also telling us that we should not refresh this page and we should not turn off your Umbrel node while this is happening. So just let the system do their own steps for the upgrade. And again, this is the first version of YouTube video I'm doing in English, so I hope everything sounds okay. So it looks like it's restarting the new containers, and as you can see here in the right side, I was blocking it, it was saying in green, upgrade has been completed. So once the upgrade is completed, we get the welcome back screen here, and we can go ahead and log in to see what is new. So this is the same password I used for the previous login, and it looks like we were able to log in. Now, I know some of you will be probably nervous when you see that you cannot see your satoshis or your balance, like here or here, and you don't see the Bitcoin synchronized or the wallet, but you see it really quickly started appearing. It looks like we're using 1 terabyte out of 3. Wow, this is new for storage. This is a new view. I haven't seen this one before. So this is for the new version, I guess. So okay, now we can see the previous transactions. We can see now the balance, and we also can see the Bitcoin wallet's balance as well. Pretty nice. Okay, so let's explore the Bitcoin menu here in the left. What we see here, we can see again the hash rate. We see that the connections of the peers were disconnected. They were showing all like disconnected, but then now it's showing that it's one peer connected. And we're seeing the hash rate calculating, and mempool also getting up to date. So we have blockchain is synchronized 100%. We get our previous transactions on the Lightning Network, and I think this is looking okay. I think the connections will continue connecting as the Umbrel node continue, I guess, propagating itself into the network. So let's look at the Lightning option in the left, and here we can see all the channels that were active are appearing here right now. So everything looks very good, except with the exception of this channel, which is definitely maybe the node is offline. It looks like it's offline, inactive offline. All the other ones are online and they're looking good. Okay. And then let's have a look really quick at the connection of the wallets that I was talking about before with Blue Wallet and Zap. I will have to check in my phone to make sure that everything is good, but I will probably make another video to show that make sure that everything is fine after this upgrade. So it's not really critical at the moment. If we go to the applications and we look at the Lightning LND hub, we still can see everything seems to be synced. 10 peers, 12 channels, so everything looks fine here. Okay. And then let's try. I will try to go to. I'll try to go to the Thunderhub application. So we go here. This will probably show us an error. There you go. This is expected. It happens always after I do an upgrade of Umbrel. I will go ahead and put the password, and sometimes it requires a little bit longer to connect. Sometimes I will put the password and it will still give me an error. But now this time it allowed me to connect. However, you can see what is the annoying part here, which is this. So now GyroNet, it changed to the public key of my node, and I need to fix that. So how do we fix this? We will have to go to a configuration file, and I will do this on the next video because I want to keep these videos as 10 minutes length. See you in the next video. I will get this done very quickly on the next one.